different locations.
Sometimes you just give a little mustard seed of care, and that mustard seed just grows strong beyond what you thought.
Now, after 34 years as Unity's chief medical officer and executive vice president, Dr. Getchis is retiring, but she'll stay on as Unity's CMO emeritus, helping to guide the future of healthcare in D.C.
Housing is healthcare, and so a lot, like here, people don't have a home, and but it's not just a home. It's a home that's a good home, and where there's nurturing and available, and good schools. Are we addressing all those issues of poverty? No. Are we addressing all those issues of racism? And that's health.
So while there is much work to do, this servant, who has earned countless awards over her 4-decade career, can smile.
I've been blessed,
knowing she answered the call to help. In Northwest, Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.
So if you need an example of what not to do before a hurricane, check out this guy. He's not the only one who did this. A bunch of people decided to catch some waves this morning, just hours before Dorian started moving away from the Bahamas. This is in Jacksonville Beach, and just a little bit ago I saw something from a friend of mine in Central Florida posting video out on Cocoa Beach, somebody climbing up onto the roof of their beachside condo and sitting on the chimney just to take the storm in. Of course, they were shirtless, because that's how you roll in Florida
obviously
when dumb behavior is occurring.
Do you have any beverages with them?
I didn't see any beverages, but it was a wide shot, so you know they were there somewhere.
All right, always a little bit of Darwinism going on with these things, you know?
There is.
All right, so here's the deal. A glancing blow for us, but the good news, I think east coast of Florida is going to be spared hurricane force winds. Not to say they're not going to get, some big time rains and winds up to 50, 60 miles an hour, but because the storm is so far east, remember the way the storms are structured in the northern hemisphere, the strongest and highest winds are always on the northeast quadrant. That northeast quadrant is going to remain well out to sea for a while. So, as we mentioned earlier, no longer hurricane warnings of Vero Beach southward, hurricane warnings north, and I think that may actually be changed overnight. Howard's in tomorrow to check that out. By the time we get to 2 o'clock on Wednesday, it's still well east of Jacksonville. Now, by the time we get to, say, 2 o'clock on Thursday, now it's a little closer to the coast. I think we could see near hurricane force winds anywhere from Charleston up to Hatteras as we go through Thursday and Friday morning. But then it really races. I mean, wow. That really moves between Thursday afternoon and Friday afternoon. It's well out to sea by 2 o'clock on Friday. Still is a Category 2. Again, couple things. If it goes to winds of 111, it technically becomes a Category 3. Second thing, American model a little bit faster than European model. This track is a little bit of a blend, so just sort of keep that in mind. But the tracks are pretty much lockstep. All the models are very close in lockstep. So here's a satellite picture. There's the eye. What a beautiful picture. Retweeted some digital high quality pictures of the eye wall, just incredible. I mentioned also the reason you don't fly a jet into this is because the rain will stall the engines. That's why you always see a propeller going. All right, wide range of the radar, some bands going now, Daytona Beach down toward Orlando. Don't see a lot of tornado activity. Rainfall not a huge problem on the coast of Florida. Again, the winds generally under hurricane force until we get maybe to Wilmington, and then maybe by the time we get to Hatteras. Even though by 11 o'clock on Friday, winds could still be gusting to 37 miles per hour in Ocean City. So Friday's going to be a tough day at the shore. And even Saturday, I wouldn't go in the water on Saturday. So by the time we get to, say, Melbourne, look at this. It's all generally not bad storm surge at all. A little further north, though, it gets a little more serious. St. Augustine, Fernando Beach, maybe 6 feet. But now we get to Savannah and Charleston. Notice the deeper oranges, so that's a bigger deal, especially in the inlets. We could see 10 to 12-foot storm surge. Good news is if it moves as fast, that will cut down on this considerably. By the time, say, we get up to Georgetown and Myrtle Beach, again, 7 to 12 feet. And then for us, not a huge deal. Maybe 2 or 3 feet in Ocean City and maybe 1 or 2 feet in the bay. So not going to be a huge storm for us. But our effects, okay, here's what we know, okay? So here's the deal. Dorian's going to impact both the metro area and the beaches on Friday. That's our day. We'll have clouds on Thursday, but in terms of anything significant, it'll be Friday. Metro, breezy with some showers, heavier showers south and east, where? Southern Maryland. And then beaches, some erosion at the shore and also rip currents. And then we're looking at winds 30